Lake Havasu City, and we're going to be going across the London Bridge. And here we are on the London Bridge. Not much to see from here. And Lake Havasu City already has their Christmas decorations up, apparently. So we are here in Lake Havasu City. We're right by the London Bridge. We're going to walk down here and take a look at the London Bridge from the side down here. Got a nice brewery right here and nice overview. Part of Lake Havasu. This is pretty cool. The London Bridge is right over here on the right. Oh yeah? Ooh. Of course, the London Bridge came over from London. They took it apart block by block, moved it over here and reconstructed it. What year was the London Bridge moved over here?
I have no idea.
Don't remember, huh? It was after World War II sometime. Beautiful area down here. And they've got boat rentals down here. They've got a nice little waterfall out here. Got a bridge view room. And another view of the London Bridge over here. Here's a good view of the London Bridge. Hopefully you can hear me over this wind. Mr. McCullough purchased it and moved it over here. He's also the one who started McCullough Chainsaws. Here at Desert Pueblo RV Park in Bouse, Arizona, and it's a very nice park. This is our setup here behind me. We've got our 10x10 pop-up, we've got our screen room, so we've got our kitchen set up. Here's a 3-burner Camp Chef stove and a Camp Chef outdoor oven, and it also has 2-burner stove on top. Got our propane fire pit out here. We're just all set here, having a good time. All right, so this park is a nice park. It's all gravel. Does have some trees in it. Bathroom and shower facilities are very nice in this park. All nice and clean, all modern. remodeled them here. They're all tile. It's all tile, all very nice. It has 2 showers in here on the men's side. All very nice and clean. The women's bathroom and showers look just like this one. They have very nice laundry facilities here. They've just updated all their machines. They have all these nice new front load LG washers and dryers in here. Plus, they also have one great big commercial washer and commercial dryer. So if you have things like your comforter from your king size bed, will get washed. Very nice. The park does have a nice recreation room. It's a good size recreation room. Let's go in here and take a look. Look at that. Big screen TV over here with a nice couch. Got a dartboard game in the corner. Full kitchen. I see they're getting ready. Thanksgiving is tomorrow, so they're getting ready to serve turkey and ham tomorrow. We've got a puzzle table set up over here. We've got a chess table, checkers, and someone left a box of dominoes there. And back here, we have a library. So I have a book exchange and movies. And this is where they keep all their supplies here for the rec room. All the extra tables and chairs, chafers, puzzles, bingo game. We got a cornhole game down here. So yeah, we're enjoying our stay here at this RV park. And they've got the best propane prices in town at $2.25 a gallon. People coming in from all around to get their propane tanks filled here. The office is right over here. Get your bag or block ice really cheap here as well. The bag is $1.50. The block's $1.75. Nice office. One of the features and benefits of being here at this park is they have a nice little picnic area right here, right behind me. Let's go up here and take a look at it. Cute little decorations. Up here in the picnic area, they have a covered area here with picnic tables. They've got a barbecue gas grill over here. And looks like wrong place to throw your garbage. Yeah, I'm being out here in the desert. This is a gateway to all the trails for going ATVing or off-roading out here in the desert. A lot of people bring their toys into this park and stay here and use it as a home base. Lots of toys in here.